Hi, I am Divya. I am CC and a CISSP, currently working as Cyber Governance Manager for one of the Indian bank. I was an IT engineer. I was also working in the IT department. So I am one of the career changer who transitioned from IT to cybersecurity. Everyone used to say only one thing, that cybersecurity is going to be the next big thing. So CC has been really a great stepping stone for anybody who is freshly passing out of the college, or you want to change from IT to cybersecurity. It's a job ready certification which provides a lot of basics and foundational concepts, and definitely it is going to cover 5 different domains, may it be networks, BCP, and security principles. All those things, the basics will be covered, and it's a very, very high value certification. I prefer you always go through the official IAC2 study materials, which are, developed with great efforts and with great accuracy. However, CISSP was really challenging because it's a level playing ground for everybody, because so many people and so many countries who are in cybersecurity probably can have 2 or 3 domains as their expertise, but whereas there are 8 domains in CISSP, which nobody will have an edge, over all the 8 domains. So it's a level playing field. I always prefer and recommend any student or any professional to go for IAC2 because it's vendor neutral, because I know the level of efforts you guys have been putting for to revise the contents and to keep the contents up to date. This is the thing I really love about IACs, where the credibility, the ethics which you maintain in the examination, unlike other certification bodies, this is the trust I have on CISSP, and it is trusted by everyone globally, every recruiter in the world. So it's a great return on investment. So the more of time, energy, and the dedication you invest for pursuing these 8 domains in CISSP is definitely going to impact your career in a very, very positive way. So the volunteering part of IAC2 is the best, what I would like, and I want everybody to explore it. We have the power to influence more people into cybersecurity. Once we motivate a lot of students, to pursue cybersecurity, this is how we are building the cybersecurity workforce for the nation and for the world as a whole. And it doesn't happen overnight. So this is possible through chapters.